So this is SAS Viya 9. As you can see, I already opened up VA1 demo 4.2b. So I already had started it a little bit. So we went in to this page menu and I pressed expand page controls, and this popped up where it says drop a data item or control to create a page prompt. So from here, we're going to go to these three dots right here, which is the more button, and then we're going to select expand report controls and all page controls. So from here in the general settings for visual analytics, which is right here, we're going to go into settings, general. We can see that expand report controls by default and expand page controls by default are not clicked. So then we're going to go over to data and we're going to drag order type for the category group, and we're going to drop it under this little area right here, and then this this auto control will determine the best control object to use for each selected sales data catalog or catalog sale, internet sale, and retail sale. So then in the right pane, we are going to click options. And for the object group in the name field, we're gonna type in order type selector. In the title field, we're going to select custom title, and then in that title, we're going to enter select an order type. Press enter, and then this is what it should look like. So from here, we're going to click catalog sale to filter all the objects. So this is all by catalog sale now. And then we're going to deselect it and it'll bring it back to how it was when we started. So then we're going to add between objects to the delivery analysis page. So we're going to start by clicking delivery analysis. In the canvas, we're going to click the drop down list control to select it. In the right pane, we're going to click actions, and then in the object links group, we are going to select profits and orders, which is in the dual axis bar chart, and then we're going to verify that filter is selected. So under the actions setting on the right pane, we are going to have object links. So order information by month is going to be selected, and it's going to have a link selection, and then profit and orders are going to have a filter selection. So then in the actions pane, we are going to select view diagram, and you can see that the action diagram window, it can also be used to create actions between it by clicking and dragging, which is what we did without clicking and dragging. So then we're going to close it, and then we're going to save the report. And then I'm going to name it SAS Viya 9 Part 1. So then we're going to go to the upper left corner, and we're going to click View Report to view the report. At the top of the report, we're going to click Customer Order Analysis, and to make this page active, it's active. In the bar button, we're going to click Internet Sale right here. You can see the data changed a little bit, and then in the upper right corner, we're going to close this, and then we're going to maximize. We're going to maximize the pie chart, and we can see the customer age group and then the number of orders each age group. selected. So then we are going to restore it back, and then in the dual axis bar chart, click the bars for yes. And then in the pie chart, we're going to click the slice for 30 to 44 years, which is the orange. And then in the dual axis time series plot, it should look like this. So at the top of the report, we're going to click delivery analysis again. So we're going to go look into that again. So in the drop down list control, we're going to select Madrid right here. And you can see the data is slowly changing. So as you can see, this dual axis chart changed, and then also the bubble plot changed quite a lot. So then in the upper right corner, we're going to click more right here, and then we are going to close the report. This is part 2 of SAS 9. So as you can see, I'm already in demo 4.2c. We're going to start by clicking page 3. So we're going to double click on the heading and make it editable, and then we're going to enter customer details into the name, and then we're going to press enter. And then on the page menu right here, we're going to select hide page, and it's now hidden. So then we are going to modify the size of the hidden page. So we're going to do this by selecting options in the right pane, and then in the general group for the window width percentage, we are going to select 75. And then for the window height, we're also going to select 75. And then the options pane should look like this. So then to add links between it, we are going to click customer order analysis page and make that active by clicking that in the canvas. We're going to click on the pie chart, the pie chart, and make it active. And then we are going to click actions over here. And then the actions page, we're going to expand page links, and we are going to select customer details. So this is what the actions page should look like. So then we're going to save the report, and I'm going to save it as SAS Viya 9 Part 2. Press enter. So that is now changed. So then in the upper left corner, we're going to make sure this is purple, and then we are going to select internet sale. And then in the dual axis bar chart, we're going to select the yes area. And then in the pie chart, we are going to look at 45 to 59-year-olds, which is this green group. So then the customer details on the hidden page, we can look at them. And then in the table, we're going to select the row for I'm going to put it in order first. So now we can see that Ada Harson has an internet sale. She is a loyalty member, and she is within that 45 to 59-year-old customer age. So now that is the end of part 2. This is part 3 of SAS Viya 9. So as you can see, I'm already in demo 4.3. So we are going to add a custom sort for order type. So in the left pane, we're going to first make sure it's in editing mode, and then we're going to click data. We're going to right click on order type, which is right here, and we are going to select custom sort. And then we are going to double click on retail sale, catalog sale, and internet sale. And then we are going to press OK. So then the button bar page in the prompt area is updated, and it's going to reflect this right here. So we're going to change the style of the button bar. So in the prompt area, we're going to select button bar, and then in the right here, and then we're going to select options, and then in the button bar group for the background color field, we're going to click select a color. So we're going to click this right here, and we're going to select pale blue, which is this bottom color. And then for the background selection color, we are going to select gray. And then this is what it should look like. So we're going to change the color now of a slice in the pie chart. So in the canvas, we're going to click the number of orders by customer age group. And then in the right pane, we're going to select options, which is already selected. And then we are going to expand the style group as it is already. And then in the fill section, we're going to select the yellow box, the yellow block right here, and we're going to change it to a deep gray, which is right here. And then this is what the pie chart should look like now. So then we're going to add display rule to the list table in the customer details page. So we're going to go here. And we're going to select rules, and then we're going to select a new rule, and it's going to be make sure this area over here is selected, and then we are going to select a new rule and then profit. So then for the rule type, we're gonna do we're gonna make sure it's expression that's selected. For the operator field, we are going to select less than, and then for the value, it's gonna be 0. For format, we're gonna click the area. Click this for select font, and then we're going to select red, and then we are going to click background color. We're going to select light gray, and then for the placement field, we're going to verify that row is specified. So this is what it should look like, and then we're going to press OK. So then in the display rules pane, it should look like this, where it says customer information, path is less than 0. Yeah. So then we're going to save the report, and this is SAS Viya Part 9, Part 3. Okay. So then we are going to select View Report in the upper corner. We're going to make sure that's selected. In the top corner of this, we're going to click Customer Order Analysis. And then for the button bar, we're going to select Retail Sale. You can see that the geomap looks a little different. And then for the button bar, we're then going to press Internet Sale, and then it looks a lot different, a lot more dots. And then we are going to select Saudi Arabia right here, and you can see the numbers sort of change in a sense. So then we are going to maximize this bar chart right here, and we can see all the information within that. So then we're going to restore, and then we're going to double click on Canada in the geomap, and this will basically give us the dual bar chart and the bubble, and then you can see you can play the animation right here. So then we are going to, for city name, we're going to select Calgary, and then you can see that the data has changed quite a bit. Looking at the data here, the dots are also a little different. So then in the top, we're going to click the report name, to right here to return to the original page.